Welcome to our channel. If you want to send money instantly, follow these step-by-step instructions to use your bank's integration with payment apps. Step 1. Check if your bank offers Zelle directly through their mobile app. Many banks have built-in Zelle integration, allowing instant transfers to other bank accounts. Step 2. Enroll in Zelle using your email address or mobile phone number. Recipients will use this information to receive payments you send through the service. Step 3. Verify your identity by confirming your email or phone number. Zelle sends a verification code you must enter to complete enrollment and begin sending money. Step 4. Add recipients using their email addresses or phone numbers enrolled with Zelle. The first payment to a new recipient may take 1 to 3 days, but subsequent payments are instant. Step 5. Link external payment apps like Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal to your bank account. Provide your routing and account numbers to enable direct bank transfers. Step 6. Understand transfer timing differences between instant and standard transfers. Instant transfers charge fees but arrive in minutes, while standard transfers are free but take 1 to 3 days. Step 7. Use bank-integrated services for fee-free instant transfers when possible. Zelle through your bank is typically free, while external apps charge fees for instant transfers. Step 8. Enable security features like PINs or biometric authentication for payment apps. Protect your account since payment apps often can't reverse transactions once sent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.